Now, coming to the topic, Mahatma Gandhi. The struggle for freedom underwent a drastic change with the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi. Now, we see that there was a drastic change for the freedom struggle after the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi. As we all know, that Mahatma Gandhi was lovely called by our Indians as Bapuji. As when he returned to India, there was a drastic change because he was the person after 1970 who led the freedom struggle for next 30 years and achieved the freedom from the Britishers. Now he was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat, and he returned to India from South Africa in 1915. Actually, he went to South Africa to practice law, and there he had a fight against the racist policy of the white rulers. Gandhiji fought apartheid in South Africa by using the method of satyagraha, which is based on truth and non-violence. And with the same method, he wanted to give freedom to India also, which is a great thing for all the world, that how with satyagraha one country can achieve freedom from the Britishers. So with this new thought, Gandhiji came to India. He taught the Indians to fight the British using the principles of satyagraha. After coming to India, he shocked seeing the conditions of the people. He traveled all over India. He saw the poor conditions of the people in his country and decided to fight against the Britishers, and also with some social errors, social evils, the religious evils that were prevailing in our society, such as one was the caste system and one was the untouchability and the disunity between the Muslims and Hindus. So he said to the people not to obey the unjust rule of the government. So in this way, he not only fight for the freedom from the Britishers, but he also fight with the society to bring changes in the social evils which was prevailing in the country. That's why he was being known as the Bapuji. So therefore, as he was victory in his moments, he was always winning the objectives from the movements. That's why all the Indians were joining with the Bapuji in freedom struggle. So different sections of the society joined the freedom struggle. Millions of the people from all sections of the society was called in the freedom struggle by just one call by Gandhiji. So such a great personality was Gandhiji, who was a mass leader, because only in one call all the Indians were coming towards Mahatma Gandhi. So it is a great thing, a great leadership which was at that time in India.